Alright, here once again we are in a video of Chao Bank. So today's video is another video of chaobank.com. So as usual, before doing anything on this video, I'm going to make a live withdrawal for you guys to see. Just like I promised you guys, every single day I'm withdrawing from Chao Bank. I always make a video about it to remind you guys about the platform, the bank, and how it works. So first of all, I have to go over to my CVC code and copy it over here, then go back to my account. Minimum withdrawal is 50 HKD and I'm having 50.68 HKD. So what I have to do here is to click on withdrawal button over here and then edit it to the amount that I really want to withdraw. So I'm gonna enter 68 here, making it 50.68, and then the next thing is for me to go ahead and choose go to the next step. Already I've linked my wallet address, so it's automatically there. So the next thing I have to do is to click on next step, and then it will ask me for my CVC code. I will just input it here and then click on withdraw, and as you can see now, the withdrawal request has been successful. So once the withdrawal is done, we will continue from wherever we stopped.
And as you all can see, the deposit of 6.44 USDT was successful on my Trust Wallet account. So guys, in today's video we're going to talk about Chao Bank, explain about Chao Bank and whatever they are doing. So first of all, let's go over to how to understand Chao Bank. So click on this particular place, it's going to take you over to their site and about everything about them. So if you click on this place and says who we are, you will check out who they are and what they came from. Which, as you can see, as it's been stated in the site, Chao Bank is proudly part of the outstanding global feature in the corporation group. So you can just scroll up, and as you can see, you see that they have around 1,000 employees, 27,000 borders, and so much more. Guys, just scroll down, scroll and see how the platform works and how you can make money from it according to the way they stated in the social media, in their website. And you can also follow them on any of the social media handles to get what you need to know, any other information you need to know about them. You can also look at their roadmap, because they also have a roadmap. You see they have a lot to tell us on their roadmap, and look well, we also see their white paper. You see where their target is. We provide a digital market to corporate and other things that follows it. So Chao Bank is not a regular scam site, so they have a lot to offer to those of you guys that are interested. So in summary of the whole thing, we are going to talk about the real ways and easy ways to make money with Chao Bank, which is this particular place of buying bond. But first of all, make sure that your account is verified. Just like I said, my own, I have verified my account, and that is why it's very smooth for me to be using it all this while. So what I have to do is to first of all go over to the bond section. Take you where you see the sets of bonds. So bond is somewhere, it's kind of an investment where you buy a series of bonds, and it's going to be generating income for you every single day, and every single week it's going to be sent to your available balance. Then you choose to withdraw. So as you can see, the first bond is the BB7280, giving you 0.45% every single day. Maturity is going to be 3 years. So minimum to buy is 10 bonds. All you have to do is to just 100 bonds. One bond is 180 Hong Kong dollars. So all you have to do is to select the cryptocurrency of your choice, so that it's going to give you the exact amount. So it's going to be 10.168 USDT per one bond. So it's going to cost you extra 101.68 US dollars to buy this particular bond. So as you can see, I have 2 bonds over here working for me, and these 2 bonds are giving me 50.68 Hong Kong dollars every single day, guys. So what I have to do is to click on buy bond. So we'll buy bond over here, and it will take you to where you get your wallet address, and then deposit that same amount the system automatically told you. And once you're done depositing, automatically the system has bought the bond for you. The same thing goes to the second bond, which is way too costlier than the first bond, because this one is going to cost you around 5,000 USDT, 5,084 USDT, which is kind of huge. But so the first one is the one that people normally go for, and that is one I'm also telling people, in case you have the money and you can risk it, go ahead and use it. So once you're done with it, it's going to be generating bonds for you. You can also make money from referral. Click on this particular place, scroll down a bit, and you see your referral link. Copy it and you will earn from your referrals, guys. And also you can also track your transactions here. You will see your profit, acquire bond, and withdrawals to know when your transactions have gone. So that is how we earn money with Child Bank, and every single week the revenue from your investment is going to appear here. Then you will click on withdraw and withdraw the fund, just like you guys saw me doing earlier. So this is it. If you want to know more information, you can ask me in the comment section, or go to the social media handles, meet any customer service and ask them. So as for now, this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys got value from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and always remember profitable. Remember, my name is Zulu King, and this is MK Crypto. See you guys on my next video.